Donald Trump's transition from the courtroom to the campaign trail highlights how the upcoming 2024 election, which should address critical issues facing the American people, has become a mere tool for his criminal defense strategy. Despite facing federal charges and accusations of mishandling classified documents, Trump wasted no time in basking in the adoration of his supporters and presenting himself as a victim of a tyrannical government. His remarks and actions reveal a complete disregard for the law and a prioritization of personal and political interests over the national interest. Trump's legal defense strategy has now become intertwined with his electoral campaign, as he seeks to regain the presidency in order to potentially evade criminal liability. This unprecedented fusion of personal legal jeopardy and a presidential election has significant implications for Trump and his opponents. The cloud of criminality hanging over the election could further erode the credibility of the democratic process, particularly among Trump's supporters who buy into his propaganda. The focus on Trump's legal problems poses challenges for Republican rivals who struggle to define themselves against him without alienating his supporters. It also puts key party leaders in a difficult position as they rush to defend him despite growing concerns about the seriousness of the charges. The willingness of GOP primary candidates to criticize Trump may indicate a sense of his increasing political vulnerability. Trump's decision to merge his criminal defense and presidential campaign raises logistical complications, potentially disrupting his political schedule and causing havoc during the primary season. Moreover, it begs the question of whether Republican voters are willing to fully commit to a campaign centered on Trump's personal grievances and legal fate, rather than focusing on key policy issues. The salience of Trump's grievance campaign could also impact his appeal to suburban swing voters, making the task of winning them back even more challenging. In sum, Trump's transformation of the 2024 campaign into a platform for his legal defense strategy has far-reaching implications for both himself and the electoral process. The convergence of personal legal troubles and political ambitions creates a divisive spectacle, potentially undermining the democratic principles and ideological priorities of the Republican Party.